Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your Apple Pencil to your iPad. So first of all you have to enable your Bluetooth connection. You can do this multiple ways. The easiest one is swiping down from the right up corner and just tapping on the Bluetooth icon, or you could go to the settings and turn it on here by this Bluetooth switch. As you can see, I can turn it on. And right now, as you can see, the Bluetooth is turned on. It says that I have an Apple Pencil, but it's not connected. So I can connect it by putting it on the top of the iPad here with the magnetic connection. And when I attach it, as you will hear right now, Apple Pencil, it connected already, and it says that it has 100% battery. So if I go back to my settings, I can see that Apple Pencil is connected. And if right now if I take my Apple Pencil down, you will see that I can use it to navigate my iPad. I can go to Procreate and start drawing, for example, as you can see right here. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.